Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to get the security codes for your Google Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get the security key for Authenticator, you just simply have to open your browser at first, and after that just simply log in to manage your Google account page. Then after going into that page, with the account for which you want to get the security key, just simply tap into this security option from the left side of your screen, and then you will get to see so many options after scrolling down a bit. Now one of them is passkeys and security key. In order to get that, just simply tap into passkeys and security keys option, and after coming into this page, if you have enabled the option of passkeys and security keys, you will get your passkeys into this page. Before accessing this page, you will have to enter your password in order to confirm that you are using your account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.